Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Datadog to AWS for infrastructure monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Datadog to AWS for infrastructure monitoring, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service from the Services menu. Create a new IAM role by selecting Roles and then clicking on Create Role. Choose AWS Service as the trusted entity and click Next, Permissions to attach permissions to your role. Search for and select the Datadog _integration policy if it exists, or create a custom policy if necessary. Click on Next, Tags, then Next, Review to name your role. Finish creating the role by clicking Create Role. Next, open your Datadog account and navigate to the Integrations page. Search for the AWS integration and click on it. Click on Install Integration to initiate the setup process. Authorize Datadog to access your AWS account by providing the newly created IAM role. Copy the provided Datadog account ID for use in the integration. Now, return to your AWS Management Console to configure the integration. In the AWS integration settings, enter the Datadog account ID that you just copied. Select the AWS regions you want to monitor and enable the necessary services. Configure any additional options, such as enabling tags or setting up cross-account integration if needed. Once all settings are configured, click Save Changes. Next, navigate to your Datadog account and go to the Integrations page again. Ensure that the AWS integration shows as enabled and check for any error messages. Verify that your AWS metrics are flowing into Datadog within minutes. Explore the Datadog dashboard to create custom visualizations and alerts based on your AWS infrastructure. Consider setting up additional features like CloudWatch logs or APM integration for more comprehensive monitoring. Monitor the performance of your AWS resources through the Datadog UI to ensure optimal cloud operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.